Good morning, students. Today I want to solve some problem of NCERT. So here, show that the function gx is equal to x minus greatest integer of x is discontinuous at all points where big bracket denotes the greatest integer function. So let a be any general point. Point means integer. Then, as you know, first of all we find left hand limit at a, then we find right hand limit at a, then we find value of function at x is equal to a. If left hand limit, right hand limit and value of function at point a all are equal, then function will be continuous at point a. So first of all find left hand limit. Limit of gx as x tends to a negative equal to limit of gx a minus h where h tends to 0, where h is very small, equal to limit h tends to 0 g a minus h. Function is gx. Gx is equal to x minus greatest integer of x. So in place of x put a minus h. So a minus h minus greatest integer of a minus h equal to limit as h tends to 0 a minus h. Here greatest integer of a minus h. A minus h means less a minus 1. Greatest integer function means less than or equal to integer. So a minus h, greatest integer of a minus h, just less than a means a minus 1, equal to limit h tends to 0 a minus h minus a plus 1 equal to limit as h tends to 0 a cancelled, so 1 minus h equal to 1. So left hand limit is equal to 1. Now find right hand limit. So limit as x tends to a positive gx equal to limit of g a plus h from right side, so a plus h where h tends to 0 equal to limit as h tends to 0 g a plus h. Here gx is equal to a minus greatest integer of x, so a plus h minus greatest integer of a plus h equal to limit as h tends to 0 a plus h minus greatest integer of a plus h. A plus h means slightly greater than a, so greatest integer of a plus something a equal to limit h tends to 0, here h. Now put the value of h, we get 0. Here left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, hence function gx is discontinuous at the point. Next question, given the function fx is equal to 1 upon x plus 2, find the points of discontinuity of the function f fx. So first of all, given function fx is equal to 1 upon x plus 2, so it is clear from given data fx is not defined at x equal to minus 2. Why? Because at x equal to minus 2, fx is equal to 1 upon minus 2 plus 2 means 1 upon 0, 1 upon 0 means undefined. So first point is x is equal to minus 2 where function is discontinuous. Now f of fx, so f of fx means 1 upon x plus 2. Fx is equal to 1 upon x plus 2, so f of 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 1 upon x. X means 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. So f of fx equal to x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 5. So here this function is not defined at 2x plus 5 equal to 0, means x is equal to minus 5 by 2. If denominator is equal to 0, function is not defined, so 2x plus 5 equal to 0 means x is equal to 5 by 2. It means x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is a point where f of fx is not defined. It means it is point of discontinuity. So x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 5 by 2 are points of discontinuity. 2 points at which function is not continuous. Okay, next question. Find the value of p where fx is equal to root 1 plus px minus under root 1 minus px upon x. X is less than 0 or equal to greater or equal to than minus 1. And fx is equal to 2x plus 1 upon x minus 2 if x is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 1 is continuous. So behavior of function change at point x equal to 0. Here is x is less than 0 and here x is greater than 0. So value of function change at point x equal to 0. So we find left hand limit or right hand limit and value of function at x equal to 0. So left hand limit as x tends to 0 negative of fx equal to limit of f 0 minus h where h tends to 0. So limit h tends to 0. 0 minus h means less than 0. In this case fx is equal to under root 1 plus px minus under root 1 minus px upon x. So under root 1 plus p x means 0 minus h minus under root 1 minus p 0 minus h divided by 0 minus h equal to limit h tends to 0 under root 1 minus hp minus under root 1 plus hp divided by minus h equal to limit as h tends to 0 multiplying conjugate of numerator. So under root 1 minus hp minus under root 1 plus hp divided by minus h into under root 1 minus hp plus under root 1 plus hp divided by under root 1 minus hp plus under root 1 plus hp. We get limit h tends to 0. Here a minus b, a plus b means 1 minus hp minus 1 plus hp divided by minus h in bracket under root 1 minus hp plus under root 1 minus 1 plus hp equal to, so 1 cancel, limit as h tends to 0 minus 2 hp divided by minus h under root 1 minus hp plus under root 1 plus hp. So minus h cancel. Now limit as h tends to 0 2p divided by under root 1 minus hp plus under root 1 plus hp. Now put the value of h. So 2p divided by under root 1 minus 0 plus under root 1 minus plus 0. So 2p upon 1 plus 1 equal to p. Similarly, right hand limit at x equal to 0 is equal to p because given function is continuous. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Now value of function at x equal to 0. So in this case value of function at x equal to 0 here is equal to, so f0 is equal to, put here 2 into 0 plus 1 upon 0 minus 2 is equal to 1 by minus 2. Function is continuous. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of function at that point means at x equal to 0. So p equal to value of function at x equal to 0 minus 1 by 2. This implies p is equal to minus 1 by 2.